How to issue a refund in Alto's POS and inventory system. First, open the POS menu and tap Receipts. This will show you the list of all receipts. From the list, choose the receipt that needs to be refunded. Next, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner to the receipt window. Then, select Refund. You will now see the refund screen. On the left side, you will see the items from the original receipts. Tap the item you want to refund and it will appear on the refund receipts on the right side. Once you have selected the items, tap the Refund button in the top right corner to complete the process. Refunded receipts will be shown in the red text, so they are easy to identify. And that's it. You now know how to issue a refund in Alto's POS and inventory system.